Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to earn money from Copy.ai. So there are tons of ways on how to earn money with the help of Copy.ai, and now I'm going to show you a few ways on how to earn money. So basically here on Copy.ai you can write blog posts, social media content, product description, add copy, emails, etc. And you can sell your services on platform like let's just say Fiverr or Upwork and Freelancer People Per Hour. So there are a lot of sites where you can look for a job and use Copy AI to create or to help them with their job. So basically, what you can do on Copy AI, let's just say if someone is asking to rephrase an article, let's just say, so just go to Copy.ai, tap on Create New, click Chat. So for example, the client wants the rephrase version of this, or let's just say a rephrase version or longer version of this, then you can ask Copy.ai to create that for you. You can rephrase this on your own and create a better article out of this. So this is just an idea, okay? Then you can create another one or you can expand the thought. After that, you can submit this or you can pass this to the client. Now, another way is that you can create and sell digital products. So let's just say, for example, you are planning to create an ebook and sell this to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip. So I will be showing you my samples of ebook titles. So basically, these are the samples of my ebook titles. So let's just say if you want to create an ebook for this, just copy and then go to copy.ai and then ask Copy.ai to create an ebook for this title or out of this title. After that, you can go to Canva and then create your own account here. Here, what you're going to do is you have to tap on create and then you have to search for ebook. So you can try this ebook cover. You can just create here a file like docs and then basically convert this into PDF style. And then copy the idea of this to Canva, and then you have to download this using PDF and sell this ebook to Gumroad. So all you have to do is to create an account here in Gumroad and then sell that product here. And then another way also to earn money with the help of Copy.ai is to start a social media or YouTube channel. So let's just say you wanted to create a channel for souls, for motivation, for stoicism or motivational channel. So what you're going to do is you have to look for that specific title for stoicism. Okay, so for example, this one, philosophical and reflective title, Silence the Storm, something like that. You just have to copy this, go back to Copy.ai, and then ask Copy.ai to create a script for this one, sample script. Press enter, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Once done, now you can copy this and then go to 11 Labs, generate a text to speech here. This is what it looks like. Select the voice that you want, adjust some settings here, generate speech. Once you have the voice, then all you have to do now is to create a video. So you can create a video using Leonardo AI and other platform. And then once you have finished your video, then you can post this on your YT. You can also build an agency or content agency, like automate content creation for multiple clients using Copy.ai. You can create weekly blog post packages, full social media content, calendars, or email marketing campaigns. Lastly, affiliate marketing with Copy AI if it's available in your country, and then you can do this affiliate marketing with the help of Copy AI. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.